Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to update your user ID in Dola. So here I'll be teaching you how to update your user ID in Dola. To update your user ID in Dola, all you need to do is open up your Dola. So here at Dola, if you don't know, you can always change your user ID. So all you need to do is click on profile right here. After clicking on profile here, click on edit profile. Then you'll be located right here. And once you're here, you may change your user ID as you can see right there. Press on it. After pressing on it, you can now change your user ID. There you go. That's how simple it is. You can change your user ID right there. Now let's just put in KLE. As you can see, if there's a check, which means the user ID has not been used. There you go. But let's just say 1 2 3 4. Let's see, this user ID is invalid. Please try another one. So that means this user valid ID has been used by others. Let's try 130 or maybe 421. There we go. And then we're gonna add K, then J. There you go. As you can see right now, this user ID is valid, and all we need to do to save it is press on save right there. As you can see, there you go. Now we're gonna go to chats right here. Now if we want our friends or anybody to find us, we did just click on right there and add our user ID right here. So we're just gonna try it. So 30, but of course it's us, so we're just gonna add ourselves. Okay. I believe we can't do that, so we search at others here. As you see, there's no one right there. So yeah, there you go. So yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys please enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type it down in the comment section below, guys, and we'll be happy to answer you. And there you go, guys. Thank you, guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.